and make this one say URL colon. Can attach it, and bang, and then this text box is where you enter the URL. And now let's see if I remember this code. I obviously don't remember, but I'm gonna try. So when we click start, no, actually first we need a timer. Not a label, what am I doing? We need a timer. So let's get our timer. Wherever it is. Here it is. Timer. Now we have this timer down here. So let's double click on that and let's put in the timer code. That will be web browser 1 dot refresh web browser 2 dot refresh. So that's the timer code. That's all it is. And then the start code is timer 1 dot start. But before that, we actually need to add something else. That's web browser 1 dot navigate. And then we want to put a bracket, quotations, and say we want to say text box 1 dot text bracket, and there it'll navigate to whatever text box says. And then we want to put this again. Just copy that, paste it. And now say web browser 2. And that works. And then it will start the timer after that. And it will start refreshing it. And now I want to say, do I remember this? Let's go into the stop button and just say timer 1 dot stop. And now let's go to, where is it? I believe under the timer it should say label 1 dot value. No, label 1 dot text val bracket val. There we go. That's for value. And let's say plus 2 bracket. Is that right? If not, what do we do then? Instead of correction options. No, that's not it. So I'm gonna check what it is. I'll be right back when I figure out what to do. Bye for now. Okay. Alright guys, so I figured out how to do it, and I'm probably really loud right now, sorry. But I figured out how to do it, and all you have to do is just go down here under your refresh. I added a progress bar to stop it. No, I added a progress bar. So yeah. Why is that there? I don't know, but whatever. So I added a progress bar. Yeah, if I click that, if it's ticking, it shouldn't stop. Alright. There. So all you have to do is come down here and put label label2.text val bracket label2 bracket space plus and then however many web browsers you have. I have 2. So that's it. That's all you have to do. You shouldn't get an error. I'm gonna get an error. I had it though, so I'm not lying, I did have it. Watch. I'll even enter it in here. So, like this. I'm gonna enter it. Yeah, that's what it is. Text equals val. Yeah, so that. And the progress bar was just progress bar dot increment bracket 1 bracket. If progress bar 1 dot value equals progress bar with 1 dot maximum, then web browser 1 dot refresh, web browser 2 dot refresh, label 2 dot text equals val bracket label 2 bracket plus 2. So that's it. And then the stop button and the start button. So let's run it and see how it does. So yeah, this works still. Loading screen. Let's see. Should work. Yeah, alright. So let's enter our URL. And let's see if this works. I'm just gonna go find a random YouTube video and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I found the thing I want. So let's open this up again and paste it. And now it'll start. And we'll wait for that progress bar to fill up. And so it's gonna fill up. And once it fills up, it should start navigating. Yes, it is. Alright. It can even play the YouTube videos though, which is pretty cool. Alright, so it shut it down. It'll say that's wrong. It's not wrong. If you build it, it won't do anything. So yeah, just stop debugging it for now. So that's a simple thing. The download for that will be in the description if you want to use it. Actually, no. The download for that will not be in the description. I don't want people like spamming YouTube. You'll just have to PM me if you want it. Let's go to debug. Let's save all first. File, save all. Tutorial 3. For now, I'm gonna save it as U. What was it? 1 point. I forgot. Let's see. Shut up. 1.0.0. Yeah, that was it. Save. There we go. It'll save. Item saved. And now let's build it. Debug. Build ubot. Let's build it. Build started. Build succeeded. Now let's find it. So, Visual Studio. Here it is. Now let's go to projects, bot, ubot, then release, and bang. So here it is. You just open it up. Does that. Yeah, pretty cool. This video is running really long right now. So I'll make a new part today, I think. Bonus episode just for you guys. So, yeah. I'll just make a bonus episode just for you guys. Alright, yeah, so upgrade to Flash Player. Yeah, I can still play the videos though. And then it'll keep doing that. See, it won't work. Won't work, right? So let's just quit it. So now, it's wrong, right? Yep. So let's take this and let's say that. it's going to change right back. Let's say that. It's just going to do that. Let's cancel that. No errors. Well, yeah. Okay, there's no errors, right? But it won't work. See, that's the thing. Stop debugging that. So basically, I think I know a solution to this problem. Fun to do that. But yeah, so if you actually take this and you want to go down to your refresh thing, I'm just going to take out the whole progress bar thing because I think that's the thing messing me up. So yeah, you probably don't want a progress bar on this. So if we don't have a progress bar, I'll take out the progress bar here too. Alright, now let's debug it and see if this works. I wish I could skip this, but I can't. So let's see if this works. If it does, I'm gonna make a really cool background and everything. Right. So start. Yep, not working. I don't know why this doesn't work. Well, it works if you don't have this little thingy. It's better to have it though. It's cool to have. But I guess not. So let's just take these out and delete those. See if it works now. Loading, god dang it, load faster. Alright, it's done loading. Enter in that. Start. Working. Yeah, okay, it's working. So if you didn't see my last video, about the whole entire web browser thing, I'll show you my web browser. A lot of people wanted to see it, I know. So I'll show you that if you want. So file, no, file, save all, debug, build. Alright, succeeded the build. So now if we go back to Visual Studio, go into here, projects, ubot, bin, release. Should work. So that'll load. Swirl the camera. Sorry. But that'll load and then it should work. Let's start it. It reloads so fast it really can't help itself. So right now it's not going to reload very fast. I know that. It will reload like every 5 seconds. There's a fix to that. It's actually really simple to do. So just go back, grab this timer here, grab that, go down and set the interval to 1. Then it'll go a lot faster, a whole lot faster. So it'll build that. Sorry, I'll set this to a bigger area next time. This is really annoying, isn't it? It probably is. So let's paste it. Let's do it. So now it's gonna reload pretty fast, actually now. So if you notice, it actually is reloading. Still does take quite a while, but it does reload quite fast after it starts. So yeah, that's about it for today, I think. We'll just end off the video by me showing you my web browser that I made. This is all on a YouTube video, by the way, if you want to see it. So, file, save all, saved.